Hello and welcome back to your Elvis Uke Challenge, where we're learning how to play 10 Elvis Presley songs in 1 month. The goal is to just get us to practice our instrument a little bit more. Today we're doing the easiest song in the entire challenge. This was a request from a Patreon member, so thank you, Patreon fam. We will only need chord C. Play this with your ring or pinky, please. Then play A minor with your middle finger. Leave your middle finger there and just add the index for the F. Leave the index finger where it's at, open the hand, look up, and make a G7. Great. If you don't like the sound of G7, you can use a G. That's fine. The strumming pattern that I'm doing is down, up, down, up. My hand tends to move in a circle, down, up, down, up, down, down. Each chord gets 2 beats, 1 and 2, and 1, 2, and 1. Sorry if I sound a little out of breath. I'm a little under the weather today. Okay, the pattern for this song repeats for the whole song. So I'm going to throw in a little perk here. Throughout this entire challenge, I've been doing play-alongs for my Patreon community, and I'm going to throw one in here for everyone to get to enjoy. So Patreon is a website that allows you to support creators like me for a fee. So my fee is $5 a month. And in exchange, you get play-alongs, you get PDFs, you get live lessons every Wednesday for ukulele and for classical guitar on Thursday. And then I do meetups with my Patreon community, and there's lots more to discover. So this is one of the perks. They get their play-along videos. So let's get ready. Go to the intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Verse. If you enjoyed this play-along of the song, sign up for the Patreon community because I have play-alongs for all of the other songs that we've been doing on this challenge, and I think you'll have a lot of fun practicing that way. Alrighty, well, we're almost done with our challenge, so I'll see you in the next video. Today I've been playing the Pineapple Solid Mango Ohana. If you'd like to check it out, I'll link it down below. And if you ever need new strings, I'm playing the Worth Brown Low G. I'll link those down below as well. Alrighty, take care and see you in the next one. Ciao!